At IFM, we observe lean manufacturing.
In lean manufacturing, the goal is to minimize waste, maximize production, and increase profit while reducing environmental impact. One of the beauties of manufacturing is that many different people with different skill sets work together. Whether you are analytical and have problem-solving skills, or you are flexible and good at communicating, there's a job for you at IFM, no matter your level of education or expertise.
I love 3D printing. 3D printing's fun. It's super helpful in quick prototyping because we have so many things that we need to make. We want to make sure that when we do order something, it's right the first time.
So this is our main welding operation. This combines all of the parts. So this gives us the solid welded housing. So you can start, so you click it up to line it up with the seam and then hit OK. And then that spins around and does the weld.
Welding is just one step of the process. There are many steps towards making a product, such as designing it, creating it, and selling it. This creates an environment where there are a wide array of specialists working together towards a common goal.
Electronics can get very hot. A lot of our testing is making sure they still function when they're in these really harsh environments, and how much that affects things like the accuracy and their performance is a lot of the testing we do.
Simulates what a customer's going to do, so it can pump a bunch of water through it slow, pump really fast, pump it really hot, pump it really cold, and we can basically see how do these sensors behave. Everything that they build in the line gets brought back here to get checked by us.
But this is one of our electronics for our flow sensors. So this does the hardware of pulling in the data that we use to calculate flow, and it also does the communication, the outputs that the customer use to measure their flow. So
We know that we work hard, so we also want to play hard. We have a lot of things that we can do here during our break or even after work.
IFM has so many good opportunities. They also treat their employees by providing them with snacks, their own gym, and a lounge area. Thank you, IFM, for sharing your workplace with us.